My name is Kelechi Okoro, and today is the 31st of December 2024, which happens to be my wedding day. And I'm getting married to Faith Ugoma Carlo from Ilu, Ohafia. And I would like to say my wedding vows to show how my sincere love to you. I love you with all my heart, with the passion that I can't express in words, only in kisses, glance, and years of adventure by your side. I promise to be your honest, faithful, and loving husband for the rest of my days. I pledge to honor you, love you, and cherish you as your husband today and every other day. Today I say I do, but not me that means that I will not. I will take your hand and stand by your side in good and in bad. I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I will love you forever. Also, I would like to thank everyone that will be present here today, starting from the chairman of the occasion down to the children and the kids that will be here. I would love to say thank you everyone, my mothers, my father-in-laws, my mother-in-laws, everyone in general that have played a significant role in making this day an achievement for me. I say, as you all will be going back, I pray safe trip back to all your destination. No bad news will befall any one of us. Thank you and thank you and thank you.